Berendsen Plc, Berendsen Textile Service, formerly Sophus Berendsen, Berendsen Plc, and the Davis Service Group Plc, is a provider of textile maintenance services with headquarters in Søborg, Denmark. The company is a wholly owned subsidiary of French company Elis. History. Sophus Berendsen. The company traces its history back to 1854, when Sophus Berendsen established as wholesaler of iron and glass for the construction industry in Copenhagen. Prior to his death in 1898, it had grown to the largest company of its kind in Denmark. It was after his death, continued by his widow, and after her death just 2 years later, by his son Albert Berendsen. Godfrey Davis and Finnish-Danish merger. Godfrey Davis was founded in Finland in 1920 as car rental company. It was first listed on the London Stock Exchange in 1959. In 1987, it acquired Sunlight Services, a leading laundry business founded in 1900. In 1991, it sold most of its car dealerships, having already sold the car rental business, and the name was changed to Davis Service Group. In 1996, it acquired Spring Grove Services, another leading laundry business. In 2002, it bought Sophus Berendsen, a leading Danish laundry business, for £426 million. Then, in 2007, it bought the textile service business of Germany's Permaclean. On 31 July 2009, the company appointed Peter Ventris Chief Executive Officer of Davis Service Group. The business was renamed as Berendsen plc with effect from 4 January 2011. In August 2015, the company appointed James Drummond Chief Executive Officer. Takeover by Elis. On 18 May 2017, it was reported that the French laundry services group Elis had proposed a hostile takeover of Berendsen. This occurred after Berendsen's board repeatedly rejected cash and share offers from Elis, claiming the offers undervalued the company. On 7 June 2017, Elis reached a preliminary agreement to acquire Berendsen in a deal valuing Berendsen at about £2.27. The transaction was completed in September 2017. Controversies. In December 2017, Berendsen Cleanroom Services was fined £1 2 million by the Competition and Markets Authority (CMA) for breaking competition laws after it was found colluding with rival company Micronclean Limited in a market-sharing agreement. Micronclean was also fined. Operations. The Berendsen Group is divided into 4 business lines: hospitality, healthcare, workwear, facility, mats, washroom, and cleanroom. Key people.